Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, the Mieres UI Theater is back again. This time with the modern version of the classic masterpiece, Romeo and Juliet, written by Vicente de la Iglesia. We hope you enjoy the play. Let's start.
Once upon a time, in the small city of Verona. No. It's too evident. I need something new, something modern and actual, and something in Britain. Once upon a time, in the city of London. No. It's too big. I need a small town. Like Brighton, for example. Yes! Once upon a time, in the city of Brighton, two youngsters, Ronald and Jamila, met at the disco one Friday night.
Ronnie! Oh, yes, me too, sorry. Okay. Thank you. Do you often come here?
No, this is the first time. I don't usually go out at night.
Oh. But...
Well...
what kind of name is Jamila?
It's Arabic. My family is originally from Iran, but I was born in Britain.
How interesting.
Yes, but everybody calls me Juliet. It's easier.
Juliet?
Yes.
My nickname is Romeo. Romeo and Juliet. Isn't it funny?
Well, I have to go home, sorry.
Oh, please, Jamila, stay a bit longer. It's too early.
I can't. My family is very strict. I have to be at home before 10 every day.
Oh, tell me that we'll meet again. Tell me we'll meet again, or I kill myself here, Juliet.
Oh, how romantic.
I love you so. I want you to know that I'm gonna miss your love the minute you walk out that door. Please don't go. Don't go. Don't go away. Please don't go. Don't go. I beg you to stay.
Oh, Romeo. Well, I have to go to the library tomorrow. If you want, we can meet there.
I'll be waiting for you in the library, my dear Juliet.
Oh, Romeo.
Oh, Juliet.
Oh, fine.
Hey, Romeo! You look better now.
Yes, I'm now the happiest guy in the world. I've met the most amazing, the most beautiful. Well, Paula, I'm in love again.
Yes, of course you are in love. And last year, and last week, and last month.
No. This time is different.
Of course it's different. Jamila is fantastic, but she's a Muslim. Do you know what it means?
It doesn't matter. I love her anyway.
Yes, you love her, but your father will kill you. He will never let you go out with a non-British. You know that.
No. I will find a way.
What a mess now! How am I going to solve this problem? A Muslim girl? I'm the only son of Nigel McGrath, the leader of the UKIP and future Prime Minister after the last service. Let's see what will happen when Juliet gets home.
ومن بادي الوقت هذا طبع الايام ومن بادي الوقت ترى هذا طبع الايام عبات لينا ما تبدي لياليها تبدي لياليها حلوه الليالي
What time is it, darling? 10:55, dear. Is Jamila already at home? Not yet. She must have missed the train. Yes, the train. We will have some words when she gets home. been having a strange behavior lately. Didn't you notice that, darling?
No.
Where do you think we're going, Shamila?
Hi, Dad. Mom, what a surprise. Well, the train was running late and...
Late? Late? You are an hour late. So this weekend, you don't go out.
But Dad, I have to study. I have to go to the library tomorrow.
Oh, yeah. You can study at home. You can find what you need on the internet.
Oh, please, Dad.
I don't want to hear anymore. Go to bed right now.
Oh, poor Juliet. How will Juliet meet Romeo now? And what is happening at Romeo's place? Let's see.
Where is my tie? And where is my watch? I'm going to be late again. As always.
Relax, darling. We still have time. Look, it's in your hand. Give me to me. Let me help you.
But I still have to revise my speech. No, this time I'm going to lose the election again. As always.
Don't be so pessimistic. Everything is going to be right. You'll see.
Yeah.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
Ronnie.
Oh, you look awesome. Where are you going?
Oh, your father has a speech at the parliament. Don't bother him.
Okay, Dad. Can you lend me 50 pounds?
50
I have to buy some books for school.
50 pounds? What did you do with the money I gave you yesterday, Ronnie? Don't cheat on me, Ronnie. What is her name this time?
But this time is different.
This time is different. What is so different? Tell me.
She's special.
Special? You are deeply in love. I know. What's her name?
Well, her name is Juliet. Juliet.
Maybe Judge Parker's daughter? What's her family name?
Well, I think it's something Hassani or something like that.
Hassani? What kind of surname is that? That's not British.
Well, in fact, it's Iranian.
Iranian? Are you trying to tell me that you are going out with a Muslim?
Yes, but I love her. She's special.
Special? Yeah. Yeah. That's correct. Are you out of your mind? Do you want to ruin my career? What shall I tell my voters now? They'll never vote for me anymore.
Darling, don't shout at your son.
My son! He's not my son anymore! So, never, believe me, never in my life I will accept a Muslim in this family. So forget about it.
If I can't go out with Juliet, I'm not going to stay in this house any longer.
Then go away and don't come back. You are not part of this family anymore.
Mom,
Don't boast about Ronnie. Your father didn't mean what he said. Please don't go.
I'm sorry, Mom. I have to go. I love her.
how shall I solve this mess now? Let's see what happens at Juliet's place.
Juliet, please, come to the living room. We want to talk to you.
Yes, ma'am, I'm coming. Yeah?
Your father wants to talk to you. Daughter,
Father?
you will soon be 18. And I think that it's time for you to get married. Your mother was already married at your age.
But I'm too young to get married, and with whom?
Your cousin Ahmed is willing to marry you. And he's a very rich man. And you will be very lucky if you agree.
No, never. Believe me, never in my life I will get married to someone that I don't love. Besides, he's too old for me.
But too old. He's only 55. And he feels very lonely, so I don't want to take no as an answer.
No, I don't want to get married.
You will get married as soon as you are 18.
Oh, no. I don't want to get married.
Yes.
No?
Now we are really in a mess. Romeo and Juliet's love seems impossible. Let's see if I can solve this problem and this doesn't finish like Shakespeare's story.
Look at their window! That is their window! Juliet! Step out to the window, Juliet! Look at her! She's as beautiful as the moon! She's more beautiful than the stars in a clear night! Oh, Juliet!
Oh, Romeo!
Oh, Juliet!
Oh, Romeo!
Oh, Juliet!
Oh, Romeo! What are you doing here? If my brother even knows that you are here, he will kill you.
Oh, I don't
Please
mind.
go away.
No. I don't mind if I die, as long as I am by your side. Oh, Juliet.
Oh, Romeo!
Oh, Juliet.
Oh, Romeo!
Oh, Juliet.
Oh, Romeo!
Juliet.
But our love is impossible. I have to get married to my cousin Ahmed.
No, don't tell me that. You are not going to get married. Let's go away together. Please, and get married. It doesn't matter what your family think.
Oh, Romeo!
Oh, Juliet.
Oh, Romeo!
Oh, Juliet.
Oh, Romeo! Come on!
Okay.
Oh, Romeo!
Oh, Juliet. Oh, Juliet.
What is happening here? Who is that guy?
Who?
He!
He's only a friend. Hassan, he's only a friend.
And why were you kissing him? You are going to marry Ahmed this month! You are going to destroy our family! Let's go home immediately!
No. She's not going anywhere. She's going to marry me.
What are you talking about? Go home immediately!
No, Ahmed! Hassan!
Over my dead body.
Okay, if that was you want.
Confess that I feel deeply sad in this moment because I don't know how to finish this story. At least Romeo and Juliet will be together for all the eternity. And the rest of the characters, I can leave them this way. After all, they have realized that love is the most powerful force in the world. And not even death can stop it. So love must go on.
cast, Luis as the scriptwriter, Laura as Yamila, Susana Arjona, María José as Yamila's mother, Deborah as Yamila's mother, Margarita as Ronald's mother, Vicente as Ronald's mother, Paula as Eva, Katy as Sally, and me as Yamila's brother. And Juan in charge of the music. De coreógrafo.
Yo quiero terminar la función dedicándoles unas palabras a este grupo tan maravilloso que tengo de teatro, que este año, sobre todo, yo no he podido dedicar el tiempo que deseaba porque solamente mi horario tenía 1 hora para estar con ellos, y les agradezco de todo corazón haberme ayudado tanto como lo hicieron en todo, en la organización, en el decorado, en la música. Este baile final yo no lo sabía, o sea, siempre me tienen alguna sorpresa preparada. Y esa dedicación, ese esfuerzo, esa afición que tienen al teatro y sobre todo ese lazo que tenemos entre nosotros año tras año merece un gran aplauso.